Your morning routine might be the reason you're broke and you don't even know it. I changed just 5 small habits before 8 a.m. and it completely transformed my finances. Stay till the end because number 5 is the one nobody talks about. Every single morning before I touch my phone, I spend 60 seconds reading my top 3 financial goals out loud. This isn't woo-woo nonsense. It primes your brain to spot opportunities and make better money decisions all day long. Forget gratitude journals. I write down one money win from yesterday and one wealth building action for today. This tiny habit made me 3 times more intentional with every dollar I earned and spent. I spent exactly 90 seconds scanning my investments and market headlines. Not to panic trade, but to stay informed and emotionally detached. The wealthy stay connected to their money without being controlled by it. Before I open Instagram or TikTok, I read or listened to 10 minutes of financial education, a podcast, a book chapter, an article. While most people consume memes at breakfast, you're stacking knowledge that compounds faster than any index fund. Here's the one nobody talks about. Each morning I plan exactly how I'll spend and save that day. Not a monthly budget, a daily spending intention. This one habit alone saved me over $4,000 in my first year. None of these take more than 15 minutes combined, but they completely rewired how I think about money. Wealth isn't built in a single moment. It's built in the small decisions you make every single morning. Drop a comment telling me which habit you're starting tomorrow. Smash that like button if this gave you value, and subscribe to Wealth Decoders so you never miss a video that could change your financial future. I'll see you in the next one.